Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Children, yesterday I gave you the introduction notes for multiplication and also few examples. I hope you already finished that. And today I am going to give you tables notes, Nana. I'll send the pic. Copy the tables neatly in your notebook and also recite the tables daily once. Only I gave you 2 to 5 tables, Nana. And coming to today's class, today we are going to discuss about the if I gave you multiplication, that you need to convert into the repeated addition and write the answer. Okay, I'll give you few exercises. Okay, write the date. Today what is the date? 22nd 12 2020. Okay, exercises. We'll do few exercises. Okay, first one. Suppose 2 ones are is equals to 2 ones are what? 2 ones are 2. I gave you tables now. If you practice these tables, then you can write this easily. Okay. See, this is a multiplication problem. 2 ones are is equals to 2. If I give you like this, write this problem into repeated addition. How you will write? 2 means what? I told you now already. Yesterday, if I gave you like this way we wrote. Now today, reverse I am asking. If I gave you this one, you need to write this like this. This one, repeated. Yes. 2 means what? 2 groups. Yes or no? 2 groups. Yes. Yes. Okay. Only 2 groups. Yes. 2 means what? 2 groups. In each group, how many objects are there in each group? 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Yes? Yes. Now, 2 times 1 is 2. Yes? 2 times 1 is 2. Yes or no? Yes. 2 times 1 is 2. Yes? Now, one more I'll give you. 3 fours are is equals to how much 3 fours are? Yes, look here. 3 fours are 12. Yes? 12. Yes. Now, write the repeated addition for this problem. Okay? First, you need to look at the problem carefully, Nana. 3 fours are. 3 means what? 3 means what? 3 times. Yes, 3 times 4 means how we should write 3 times. Yes, 3 groups. Yes, 3 times means 3 groups. Yes or no? Yes, 3 times. Is equals to, yes, 3 times. Okay, 3 times what? 4 means in each group 4. Yes. Now, write the answer. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Yes. 8 after count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. 12 is the answer. Now, 3 times 4 is 12. Yes. Now, one more example, Nana. Third one. 4 6 is equals to 4 6 24. Yes? Yes. Means 4 6 24 is equals to what? 4 times 6 is 24. Yes? 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times means 4 groups. Yes or no? Yes. 4 groups. So, 4 groups. 4 groups. Finished? Yes. 4 times 4 groups. Yes. 4 times 6. 4 groups. In each group 6. Okay. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus. Okay. 6 plus 6. 12. 12 plus 6. 12 after 6. Count 6. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 after again 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes. 24. Yes. 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Yes or no? 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay. Now one more example we'll do, Nana. 5 sevens is 5 sevens. 5 sevens. 5 times 7 is 35. Yes. Yes. Here we will be having na 5 sevens are 35. Yes. 5 times 7 is 35. How we'll write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to this, the result, product. Okay. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 times what? 7. In each group, 7, 7. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. 7 plus 7. 14. 14 plus 7 count. If you doesn't know counting directly, you should count on fingers, Nana. No problem. Okay. 7 plus 7. 14. 14 plus 7. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Again 2. 20, 21. Okay. 21 after again 7. 21 plus 7. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes. 28. 28 after again 7. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yes. 35. 35. 35. Yes. 35 is the result. Means 5 times 7 is 35. Yes. 5 times 7 is what? 35. Yes. 5 times 7 is 35. Like this you can practice as many examples as you can, Nana. In a rough book you can take examples and you practice more and more. If you practice like this now, you will get multiplication problems very easily. Okay. If either ways, Nana, if suppose if the problem will be like this, should write in this way. If it will be like in this way, should write this way. Okay. Practice this and copy the notes neatly in your notebook. Both the tables and this exercise also. And one more. Coming to your textbook. In your semester book, open the page number 76, Nana. Okay. Here you will be having exercises. 2 exercises are there here. Write today's date here. 22, 12, 20. This is your practice work, Nana. Both second and third exercises. Here you will be having one example is already given. Same what I told you in the notebook. Same like that only here you need to do. Okay. But extra one you need to draw the pictures also. Draw any pictures, Nana. Whatever like you can draw. Here 7 threes are there, Nana. But if you didn't finish 7 table, na 7 threes means what? I already explained you, na. If we interchange the factors also, the multiplication product will not change. 7 threes are also 21. Okay, here that one is there, and coming to your 6 twos are 2 6 are also same. If we interchange the product also, we'll get the same. Okay, remember that and do. Okay. Okay, Nana? Otherwise, I'll give you the answers here. Then it will be easy for you. 7 3s are 21. Okay, then you can do this problem easily. Okay? 7 3s are 21. This you can do easily, Nana. You can add this repeated addition 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus also. You will get the answer. 6 2s are. Okay? 12. Yes? Do these exercises neatly, Nana. Neatly, and understand the multiplication. How you can convert the multiplication into the repeated addition. Okay? Okay. Hope you understood, Nana. Take care. Bye.